opinion about design of the multimedia, most of students express that some designing issues such as using animation, role, and mission will make the learning process easier and help them to focus their attention to the subject. Animation is the multimedia helping to focus my attention, and I didn't lose my attention during the study. There are some design issues that make the multimedia easier to understand, such as being hero at the end of the study. We asked them their experiences about the classroom-based instruction and process to multimedia learning. 20 students expressed that learning with multimedia program made learning easier, low-plastic, fast, and efficient. Learning in the classroom does not allow us to learn the content easily, fast, and enjoyable. Classroom instruction does not provide us long-term learning opportunities, and if we didn't repeat what we have learned in the classroom, we can easily forget them. The classroom instruction is boring, however, we can easily learn from multimedia, and it makes learning process non-plastic, enjoyable, and easy. On the other hand, 3 of the students expressed that classroom teaching was better than the multimedia. One of the students expressed that I prefer to learn from classroom instruction because I used to learn by listening, and this helps me to learn easily. On the other hand, the students made noise in the multimedia. And lastly, the last tip is the working in groups. Most of the students expressed positive opinion about working in groups. Among these students, 22 of them stated that working in groups provided them with helping each other and sharing their knowledge with their group members. Some citation from students' responses: we help each other and we not only learn together but also we have fun. Working in groups allow us to discuss ideas and to see how our friends make judgments about the given task in the multimedia. Working in groups is very good and efficient. It's really good to produce some ideas. And at the end of the study, we conclude that role-based scenario was perceived as an effective approach in designing multimedia learning environments. Students have positive opinion about learning with a mission. The role given in the multimedia increases their sense of accomplishment, and it can be concluded that learning with a mission and giving them roles in the multimedia increase their motivation towards learning from multimedia. In addition to the mission and the role, 3-dimensional animations help them to focus their attention easily in the learning from the multimedia. Even though the research studies have often failed to provide any evidence of any advantage of animation, the students express that animation helps them to keep their attention throughout the learning process. And the students benefit from working in groups in that they had a chance to help each other and they share their ideas. In addition, they discuss their ideas with their friends. On the other hand, they coincide that the group members were an important factor to work effectively. And it can be said that the students are motivated and satisfied with the learning process and working in groups. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you,
Any question?
We need a lot of questions, please. Okay, I have. Now you have different technology. When you go to use a group-based and multimedia-based, and the first one is goal-based, and you have many of technologies. Which one is the best for your case study?
The goal-based scenario.
What?
Goal-based scenario.
Yeah.
It's an instructional approach because, as we know from the literature, the technology itself does not work. We have to use some instructional approach to benefit from the advantages of technology. So, as an instructional approach, using goal-based scenario as a framework for developing multimedia learning environment is better.
Okay. I have a second question, which is related to multimedia technology. When we go to use multimedia, we have image processing or images and the graph, three-dimensional graph, and also we have text. Maybe you have Turkish text, and then we have audio, it's a sound, and then we have video. When you go to design and implement your classes using multimedia, which one you prefer? Whether to use all the media you have, or only to use video or images or text or what?
Actually, we use both text, static images, and then animations during the multimedia learning environment, because it's a complex learning environment, and it's not enough to use just the text, just the static pictures. So we want to combine all of the components of multimedia, because some of the students want to watch animation, some of them want to read text, some of them want to see static pictures. So we put all of them into the multimedia learning environment, and students can have access to static pictures, text, animations, but in our study, most of the students like to watch animations.
Therefore, if you have embedded people, أو بنسميهم in Arabic المعوقين special needs الاحتياجات الخاصة. If you have certain people like this one, special need, I'm going to use what we call by sign language, لغة الإشارة in Arabic. How to translate your content؟ كيف يتم تحويل المحتوى أو الكورس من static and text to sign language. Therefore, we need to use additional technology, which is related to sign language technology, like character. I need to use a guitar model. Yes.
You use avatar at first, because students select avatar and they have a role. If they want to play their role, they have to select avatar at first before the game. So we have an avatar because it's a three-dimensional game actually.
This is our research track. This is not included in this your presentation. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
No, we have also additional questions. Yes. Okay. There is a mic, please. Again, please. Your question again?
About the goal-based scenario you are using. You are using it, you are doing it offline or online. What kind of technology you use? Offline, like you have it in CDs, like CDs or online.
It's an offline.
What?
Offline.
Offline.
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of platform you are using? Or the environment you are using?
Actually, it's a big project, and I work with two companies, one for the graphic design and one for the programming. And it's a, they use different platforms, so they are professional in using the platform. So they use different platforms for developing this game.
Okay. Just want to know about the usability and accessibility of this software. If you are using it for online, about the size, of course, the accessibility for it, if you are using it on websites.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Just
Yes. When you go to use online, you have additional headache, additional problem.
Yeah.
Yes, there's a lot of problem, which this problem is related to technology maybe, and you have another option which is related to educational track, and when I'm going to have this problem now, how to solve this problem now? It's online. This is not included in her presentation.
that's
We said education.